The fabrics just keep getting better. I'm going to show you, this is a beautiful collection of watermelon, I'm going to call it. The colors are just beautiful for spring. This has stretch in one direction. It's got nice stretch. This is what I made the wrap out of, the 212 with the fringe. I just love it. It's just a beautiful color. As you can see, both sides are usable. This is a cotton poly. It's mostly cotton, got a little bit of poly in it. Very pretty, great drape. This is an ITY, but the thing about this ITY is mostly cotton. So they're taking now and using cotton involved in the ITY. As you can see, it's a beautiful color. Just blends really beautiful with this. It's a kind of that watermelon, and it's got a black polka dot. We know polka dots are just wonderful for spring. This is a Pontoroma. It's got, this has stretch in one direction. Here, let's see, sorry, just to make sure. It has stretch in both directions. I'm wrong on that. This has stretch in both directions. It's a Pontoroma. It's a beautiful hand, so it's a 4-ounce. Beautiful pair of slacks. Just so pretty. And you can see the blending of the colors. Isn't that beautiful together? This one is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. Lovely drape. Just really beautiful. They're just so pretty. I love them. And then this is 100% viscose. Very thin, light, great drape, as you can see. You can see that's like make me skinny outfit. But it's really pretty. Again, stretch in both directions. So the goal is to have beautiful fabrics and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.